General Assembly Online Training Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering enrolling in General Assembly's online training courses, you're probably looking for a detailed honest review before you make any commitments. Let me save you some time. I've checked it out thoroughly, and in this video, I'll give you a clear picture of what to expect. General Assembly is an educational platform known for its job-relevant skills training in technology, data, and design. Their courses are designed to cater to a wide range of learners, from complete beginners to experienced professionals looking to enhance their skills. Whether you're looking to pivot your career, advance in your current job, or learn new in-demand skills, General Assembly offers a variety of boot camps, workshops, and immersive courses aimed at helping you achieve your goals. The platform features a flexible learning experience with both online and in-person options available. Their courses include live classes, self-paced lessons, hands-on projects, and a dedicated support team to guide you throughout the learning process. It's an ideal setup for those who thrive in an interactive environment and need personalized feedback to progress. General Assembly courses cover topics like coding, digital marketing, UX/UI design, data analytics, and more. The curriculum is industry-aligned, designed in collaboration with top companies, and continuously updated to reflect the latest trends and tools. You'll gain practical skills that are directly applicable to the job market, which is a major plus if you're looking for career opportunities after completing the course. One thing to note is that General Assembly can be quite expensive, with prices ranging from a few $100s to several thousand, depending on the course. However, they do offer flexible payment plans and financing options, which can make the investment more manageable. Before you make any decisions, be sure to check out the links in the description for more detailed information about the courses, pricing, and testimonials from past students. Whether you're already enrolled or considering joining, this review should give you a good idea of what to expect from General Assembly's online training. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you found this review helpful. Your support helps us create more valuable content to assist others in making informed decisions. Thanks for watching.